There are moments in life when you feel lost, tired, and forgotten your prayers but answered, your heart heavy, and your hope fading. Yet the silence remains, but deep within that silence is His wisdom, His timing, and His love. Allah does not forget you. He sees your tears, hears your whispered yours in the darkness, and feels the pain hidden behind your smile. His delay is never a rejection, it's a preparation for something greater, something better, something you never even imagined. Maybe He's protecting you from something you cannot see, or maybe He's strengthening you to receive what you truly deserve. Because when Allah gives, He gives with beauty, with purpose, and with perfect timing. So trust Him, even when nothing makes sense, even when everything seems delayed. Because what is written for you will find you, and when it comes, you realize that every second of waiting was worth it.